Dear friends, welcome. Let's learn positive, negative, and question mark in English grammar sentence. Present simple. Rule subject plus verb 1 plus object. In positive sentence, I play football, we play football, you play football, he plays football, they play football. In past simple positive sentence, its rule is subject plus verb 2 plus object. I played football, we played football, you played football, he played football, they played football. In future simple, its rule is subject plus will or shall plus verb 1 plus object. Examples: I will play football, we will play football, you will play football, he or she will play football, they will play football. Negative sentence. Rule for simple present simple: subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1. I don't play football, we don't play football, you don't play football, he or she does not play football, they don't play football. In past simple negative sentence, I did not play football, we did not play football, you did not play football, he did not play football, they did not play football. In future simple negative sentence, I will not play football, we will not play football, you will not play football, he or she will not play football, they will not play football. In question mark sentence, present simple, rule is do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Do I play football? Question mark. Do we play football? Question mark. Do you play football? Question mark. Does he play football? Question mark. Do they play football? Question mark. In past simple question mark sentence, did I play football? Question mark. Did we play football? Question mark. Did you play football? Question mark. Did he play football? Question mark. Did they play football? Question mark. In future simple, rule is will or shall plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Will I play football? Question mark. Will we play football? Question mark. Will you play football? Question mark. Will he play football? Question mark. Will they play football? Question mark. Dear friends, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video for next video.